Hey guys, welcome back to Figuring Out Your MBA application. Again, I'm not an admissions consultant. I'm currently a student here at ISB, and today we're going to tackle the question of how to prepare for your GRE exam and how do you choose between GRE and GMAT. So the first question is there a preference that ISB has over GRE versus GMAT? Basis my conversation with a bunch of people here and also a bunch of alums, there is no preference that ISB has. It's just a score to evaluate your entire application. It's one of the criteria. I personally wrote GRE. My reasoning behind that was that I was an engineering student when I wrote it. And at that point, I wasn't clear if I want to pursue an MBA or if I want to pursue MS, which is why I chose to write GRE to keep both my options open. Now, how did I prepare for it? It took me 2 to 3 months of solid prep. A big tip that helped me was that I booked an exam date because I had tried preparing almost 6 months in advance and somehow I did not get the motivation to actually study hard enough. The first 2 months was mainly just solving questions back to back, and the last month was taking a lot of mock tests. For verbal, which was my weakest section, I utilized two main resources. One was Magoosh, and the other one was this book called Word Power Made Easy. Magoosh was incredible. It gamified the entire process of learning the word list, their usages, their meanings, all of that. I used the book called Word Power Made Easy. This helped me mainly with just not memorizing words, but also understanding the origin of the words, which would help me later on, where if I would even see a new word, I could still derive the meaning by breaking it down. For quantitative, what I used was the official test prep resources, which is available on the ETS website. I just solved questions from the book back to back. And for mock tests, in the last month, I bought Kaplan Test Prep, and it definitely helped me because it simulated the entire examination environment for me. The level of the exam was at par with the actual GRE exam. So I scored in those tests, I remember, around a 320, 322, and in the actual exam, I got a 325. So definitely it is at par. So if you do those well in the last month, it will definitely help you a lot to also understand where you need to prepare in the little bit of time that you had instead of, targeting everything. So you can prioritize very well. How did I start the preparation? Like, it can feel daunting and to where to start. So I took a test. I just went ahead, took a test, a free test that I found online, and I just solved it and I figured out which were the sections that I was weak at. I realized that my verbal section is very weak. So I dedicated a lot of time to verbal, and my quantitative section was fairly simpler. It just requires a lot more speed, which requires practice, but the concepts in itself are not super tricky. So if there are any more questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And if you like this series and if you want anything more, let me know. In the next episode, I'll be getting someone who has written GMAT so they can help you out with what preparation resources to utilize. And that's it, I guess.